Hello student, in the previous session we have discussed the basics of the divide and conquer strategy. That point of time I have told that with a perfect example or a suitable example, we try to resolve the problem if you're facing in difficulty you're facing, what actually how this divide and conquer strategy works. Okay, so for this reason I have given an example of a shorting. First of all, what is shorting? I'll let it me clear to you what is shorting, then we will discuss about the march short. March short is actually a best example of to explain the divide and conquer strategy. So what is shorting? Shorting is very clear in Excel also. We have to do the shorting. That is shorting, that means order wise we have to manage. You can maintain the alphabetical order, that is A to Z or Z to A. If you are shorting any numbers, that can be a largest to smaller or smallest to largest number. So this is basically a kind of a sorting. You are arranging the data according to your choice. It can be from the greater number to lower number, the highest number to lowest, or lowest number to highest. If you are considering the sorting regarding any alphabetical character, then it can be capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, or Z small z to small a, capital Z to capital Z, in which order you want. Okay, so that is the basic phenomenon behind the shorting. So what is merge shorting? So is I have said earlier, that is divide and conquer strategy. It means you are able to see over here a few examples. That is, we have some data in our hand, that is 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82 and 10. This is not actually in a shorted manner. Okay, it is neither you are forming. If you want a smallest to largest, you can do largest to smallest as well. But here I am showing you the example of smallest to largest. From the small it will start and it will be ended at to largest one. So what first of all we are checking, 38, 7, 43, 3, 9, 82. In this way we are actually finding out the mid positions of this total array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 2, you can say it is 3.5, near about 4. So from here we will break this one. Okay, so it will be having 38, 27, 43, 3 and 9, 82, 10. In this way we are having. Again from here the total number of value we are having 4. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So by 2 we are dividing 38. Then it is here 27. Here it is 43 and 3. And here it is what? It is 3. 3 by 2, it is 1 point something. So from here we will start ending 1 point something. So more about 2. So from 2 we are ending 982 and here it is coming 10. Okay, so in this way here again we have tried to divide it in two parts directly. 2 divided by 2, it is 1 1 each. Here also 2 divided by 3, 1 1 each. 43 and 3 will be separated. Here also 9 and 82, that is 2 digit. 2 divided by 2 money 1. So in a 1 1 single location we have. Alright, now we will check between these two, that which is having the smallest number. So 27 is the smallest and 31 is the greatest. So we have arranged among 43 and 3. 3 is the smallest one, then 43 is the largest one. We have arranged. Now among 9 and 82, 9 is the smallest one, 82 is the lowest one. Now it is 10 is there. Okay. Now we are trying to arrange these two over here, 27, 38, 3 and 43. So among this what we are having? We are having 3 as the least one, then it is 27, then it is 38, then it's 42. If you try to amalgamating between these two, first of all it is coming 9, then it is 10, then it's 82. Now among these two, if you consider it and try to fit it out, then what will happen? 3 will comes at first, then 9 will be comes out, then 10 will be comes out, then 27, then 38, then 43, then it is 80. Okay, so in this manner what we are having, we have separated our problem, we have segregated in our problem in a branched manner and in several a smallest subpart. And now after fragmented it, see here we have started with 4, then 2, then 1. So this is 1 1 each, 1 1 value in each array, I mean in array position, 1 1 single value. So this is the most smallest part actually we are having. So till the timing we are reaches to the smallest part of this number, we will do the division. We will do this, continue the fragmentation over here. Okay, as soon as this fragmentation is over, now we are started combining it. So divide we have done up to this step, it is a divide. Now it is a conquering step when we are trying to merge. We merge these two and find out which is smallest greater. Merge these two, find out smallest greater. Merge these two, find out smallest greater. And then merging between this, we have this one, and from this to this one. So in this way we have done the merge sorting also. Now, so this is a one kind of an example is there, but in your book, if you find out, there is a question example is there to find out the net salary. Okay, to find out the net salary, they have given you few statements. They have given you the basic salary of a personnel. They have given you, and they have given you certain percentage. That is, DA is some percentage, suppose 10 or 50% of a basic salary. CCA is suppose 15% of a basic salary. Okay, TA is suppose 5% of the basic salaries. Okay, then IT income tax is there. Income tax. IT is there, IT tax is there, that is maybe the 20% of a basic salary. So they have only provide you the amount basic, and they have given you the statement like this, and then you have to find out the net salary of something. So how to do this approach? First of all, you cannot directly prepare the net salary. Individually you have to find it out the DA first. Okay, then just in this manner you are separating. We are dividing our problem of calculating the net salary. That is, first of all we will find out the DA. Okay, next we will find out the CCA part. Okay, from the basic, as we have know the basic salary, and next we will try to find out the TA. Okay, next we will try to find out the income tax that is applicable for the particular person. So when we have individually whatever calculation is there to know the final answer of a net salary, what is that involved, individually we have to find out. That is, still it is in the divided phase. Now when we have knows all the values of it, now we are started combining it and putting into the formula which is actually responsible for the getting the net salary. Okay, we have to combine it in some way. So basic salary we have to add, then we have to add DA on it. Okay, then we have to add CCA on it. Okay, then we have to add TA on it, and from this the IT tax we are adding this smaller part, and then from that we have to minus the IT tax, that is income tax that you are paying, that tax will be minus, and then you got a net salary something. So this is the way that we have first divided into the smaller part, net we are solving it, now we are put it into the formula to get the final result. I hope that this two examples is clear to you. Thank you student, I'm ending my lecture over here.